4 dietary secrets that can restore your brain. I'm getting tons of questions on what can I do? What do I need to take to restore my brain? I'm going to go over the top 4 things that you can do right now. So let me show you this graph. So on top here, you're going to see it says dietary interventions for neuroinflammation. And there's 4-step process. Let's go over step number 1. Step number 1 is we always want to start with your diet. So the first thing is you want to start increasing essential fats. I have lots of videos on this. The second thing here is you want to decrease fried food. 3, you want to decrease hydrogenated oils, which are the bad oils. Start off going gluten-free. If that doesn't work, then you need to go gluten-free and dairy-free. If that doesn't work, then you need to go on a paleo diet. And if that's still having brain fog, then you need to do an autoimmune paleo diet. The second thing is we need to stabilize your blood sugar. I have lots of videos on this. Your blood sugar should be between 85 and 120 with or without food. This is important. 85 to 120 with or without food. The third thing is that you can do is you can start to do a modified ketogenic diet. This looks like, so less than 50 grams of carbohydrates every single day, and 70-80% of your calories are coming from fats. Then the fourth major thing that you can do is you can do intermittent fasting and be on a ketogenic diet. So what does this mean? That means that you would do an 18-6. You would eat between noon and 6. That's your window of feeding, but all the foods that you have to eat would be on a ketogenic diet, high fat. If you like this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.